forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. This is my first ever unboxing video. But before that, I'm gonna share with you my experience during our shopping in Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills at Gucci store. I was about to film the entire store in Gucci. However, unfortunately, they did not allow us due to the current situation. Yeah, upon entering the store, it's of course social distancing was applied, 6 feet apart, and only a maximum group of 3. So 3 people each group, and you have to wait for the next available person who can assist you. And also they provide their own face mask and hand sanitizer. So when the next available agent arrived and ready to assist us, I already knew what I want. He guided me to the women's section for belt. I don't know, but unfortunately I got the not so helpful agent, so he was just on the phone all the time. But I'm still happy with my purchase, so I will do the unboxing now. So let's do the unboxing. Oh God, I'm so excited, I can't wait. So we have the paper bag, Gucci, and let's check what's inside. At first, I didn't know that it was a unisex belt, because on our way going back home, I checked the receipt and it says men's belt. So I was like, oh, why is this? And then my cousin told me it's a unisex belt. Okay, so anyway, here it is. The bags. Here you go. It comes with the dust bag. Dust bag, Gucci. It's nice actually. Here it is. It's a black leather belt. The double G buckle. I got the shiny one. I love shiny stuff. And there's also different colors and a double G buckle with snake or the antique brass. But I got this one. It is size 85. I tried the size 70 and 75, but for me it's a little bit short. By the way, my waist size is 0, which is 24 to 25. But I asked them to add another hole for the last one here. Here you go. It's supposed to be only 5, but now it's 6. I can't wait to try this on. Let's see. Okay. Here you go. Before buying this one, I was actually contemplating if I'm gonna spend a $500 belt. Well, I got my luxury bag last year. It was Louis Vuitton. And then I decided I really wanted a belt which is in good quality. And right now I'm so happy. I love it. I am very happy with my purchase. I want to use it every day. I know, right? So if you have this thing that you love, you can do it. Just believe in yourself. Stay humble and stay beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next vlog, have a wonderful day. Bye everybody.